So this is a couple photos of the variation of the hairstyle that I always kind of wear. If you want to see how to get it, please keep watching.
Hey guys, so sorry if the lighting's a little funky. I'm in my bathroom. I wanted to show you guys a quick, messy, dirty hair video. I am a hairdresser. I am really lazy when it comes to doing my hair, so I want to show you guys what I do when my hair is really dirty. So I only wash my hair probably once a week. This is probably about day 4. Around day 3, day 4, I'm starting to get really greasy up top. I love to use dry shampoo. I'm sure you guys have seen a million videos like this, but this is my favorite dry shampoo. It is called Batiste. Good tip is actually apply your dry shampoo at night. I didn't do it at night, so we're gonna do it now, but if you apply it at night and then you brush your hair in the morning, it will be more broken up and you won't have such a white cast. Don't spray it right up in your root. Try to spray it a little further away, but I like to do my focus areas, which is mostly the top and the sides. I don't really go on the bottom because no one sees it. I don't put my hair up.
I am really picky with dry shampoos, so I have to say this is by far my favorite. I think it just gives me the best result.
And then this is one side, and then you can see this side has a lot more body, a lot more fullness, looks a lot prettier, and then this side's super flat and just kind of greasy looking. So I like to use my hands first to kind of break up the product. And then if I feel like I still have a white cast, I'll actually go through and I'll brush out my hair a little bit, and this will really disperse the dry shampoo for me. So I'd actually be okay with going to work like this. I might add a curl or two into my hair just because it's starting to get really loosened out because I like to brush through it. Today I want to actually do my messy sumo top knot woman bun look. I wear this a lot just because it's easy on my hair and I think it looks really nice. You might want to have a comb. I don't care about how my hair looks when I part it, but I always like to leave, and I'm gonna again look in the mirror, I like to leave a couple pieces out, but I will kind of take the top section. And the reason why I do the dry shampoo first, because a lot of people might be like, why are you putting that in? Is so I get body. I want my hair to be volumized in the bun.
Basically, you just section off the top portion of your head or however big you want the bun to be. And from there, I just kind of make it really messy.
Now that I have my hair in here, I'm going to just kind of visually check, make sure I like how it's looking. I don't need it to be perfect personally, but if you want to get a comb or anything, you could do that. I like to soft tease it, where I just kind of take the brush and just gently pull down and just get a big kind of tease going. And that will give me my body. From there, I just kind of take all that hair that's slightly teased and I just wrap this around. And I just kind of place it where I want it, kind of spread it out. Make sure it's not too perfect. If it's not in the right spot, I'll redo it.
This hairstyle is really easy. I'm making it look more difficult than it is, I think. But basically, you just tease your hair. I just wrap it around. I don't even use a ponytail because I don't need it. And then I just pin it into place. It's as simple as that. The more you mess with it, kind of the more messy it'll get. And I do it a few times in this video just because I'm a perfectionist and I want it to look a certain way.
Alright guys, so I did not like how that one came out. I do this a few times, but honestly this will take me about 10 minutes in the morning, if that. I'm just going to redo it again until I like it. Let me just show you how I'll finish this off. Again, even though I already applied dry shampoo, this area is still pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly spray it in, especially around the little guys around my face. And a little through here. So now that that's done, I might just do a quick tease. Again, you could do all this with your fingers. I do soft teases on myself a lot when I'm doing this style, and I usually will wear this style for a day or two. I'll just change up the bun, the next day and just kind of fix it, maybe add a curl or two. But I really like how it looks because I have such a dark contrast on the bottom of my hair because I haven't colored it in a while. So I think it looks really cool. And I always get a lot of compliments when I do wear it. And yeah, that's basically how I do it. Keep watching and I'll make more hair videos in the future. I just want to show you in natural light how my hair looks after I've done my little sumo bun. And I've dry shampooed it up. Hope you guys enjoyed.